What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 9825 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to keep your face healthy and clear after long uses of makeup. So this video that I'm making today is kind of similar to my get ready with me nighttime face routine video, so I'll link that video below if you just want to check that out. But I did add like an extra step, or maybe a couple of extra steps, and also that was just more towards how I did like before I started wearing like makeup a little bit more. But I mean, these steps are still kind of the same. So yes, I just wanted to make this video just for those of you who wear like full coverage makeup every day, or just makeup every day period. And if you just still wanted to keep your face clear and healthy. So if I am already wearing makeup that day, the first step that I do is take my exfoliating wet cleansing towels. The packaging is kind of messed up because I use this constantly, and I get these from Target. As you can see, it's the Up and Up brand, and they're like about $2. So I take one of those and I just use this, which have the exfoliating beads on them, and I just wipe off my makeup. So that's what I'm about to do. So the next step that I do is I take my Equitone dark spot serum, and basically I just drip that around like my cheek area and my mouth area, because that is where most of my dark spots at, but mostly like around here and over here. So I usually do use like a cotton ball or like a cotton pad to put that in, but I didn't have them with me, so I just use my hands. But I do recommend that you use like a cotton ball or a cotton pad, because you just never know what type of bacteria or germs could be in your hand, and you don't want that to go onto your face. So I most definitely recommend some type of cotton swab or something. So the next step that I do is I take my aloe vera gel, and I got this from Target, which as you can see with the Up and Up brand, it was about like $3.50. Aloe vera is very useful for many things. This aloe vera is mostly used for like sunburns and stuff, but it also like soothes the skin, and like it says on here, cools and soothes the skin. So I usually just grow a plant, which I do still have the aloe vera plant, but I just kind of wanted to try this, and I've been using it, and it's been working for me so far. After that step, you kind of just let it dry until you feel like your face gets dry. So this will kind of leave your face with a kind of heavy feeling where you feel like you need to put moisturizer on, and that is where my next step comes in. But make sure that this dries for at least maybe 2 minutes, and really you don't have to wait until it dries. I just do, but I do recommend maybe 2 minutes, just for you to feel it, and you'll make your moisturizer feel more useful. The next step that I do, which you might be familiar with if you watched my nighttime face routine video, is I take my Avon Elements moisturizing cream, and I just put that all over my face. So this is actually the last step that I do, and this is just the moisturizer so that your face can feel refreshed. And like the aloe vera, I just put it on my hand, and and I just rub it in all the same. Also, like I said before, I do recommend either cotton swab, a cotton pad, some type of face brush so that you don't use your hands. So I am kind of being a bad example by using my hands for it, but it's okay. I did wash my hands before this. So those are the steps that I take to get my clear face. I hope these why did I just do that? I hope these tips help you. At the end, I do apply a little bit of Carmax just because I don't like the feel of like chapped lips. So I just do a little bit of that. So yes, that is my skincare routine, especially after a long day of makeup. Your face really feels refreshed and you just finally have like that heavy stuff off of you. I most definitely recommend this for people that wear makeup or full coverage makeup every single day just to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. It is Dark Beauty 9825 signing out of this live. Bye.